Hello engineers and construction professionals. Welcome to our Chaos Group. Today we're diving into the world of steel detailing and exploring the powerful features that make it all possible, following the highest industry standards.
Global innovations in steel detailing techniques. These trends underscore the continued evolution and modernization of the steel detailing industry in India. Top trends in steel detailing and beyond. Expert steel detailing services for structural excellence, building information modeling, BIM, off-site fabrication, industrial structures, commercial buildings, modular design. Enhancing project efficiency. Functions of steel detailing, structural detailing, shop drawings, 3D modeling, project coordination, connection design, material optimization, BIM integration, quality assurance. Optimized methodologies for seamless steel detailing processes, initial project review, conceptualization and planning, 3D modeling and drafting, connection design and analysis, shop drawings preparation, BIM integration, quality control and assurance, collaboration and coordination, documentation and reporting, project delivery and support. List of softwares used for steel detailing: Tekla Structures, AutoCAD Structural Detailing, Advanced Steel, ProtoSteel, BoCAD, SDS2. Precision in every piece. Steel detailing for seamless structures, your structure, perfected to every last detail. For more information, reach our website. Thank you.